Good morning, good night, and don't judge me, baby. I forgot my sunglasses. I'm hoping they're in the car, because if they're not, then I gotta buy some cheapo ones somewhere. This morning, it's the beautiful beach again. It's looking absolutely gorgeous out there. We're gonna hit the beach in a little bit, but we gotta go to Starbucks to see if Ray can upload a video and grab some breakfast, and then we gotta go to the car and see if my shades are in there, because I ain't trying to walk around with my sister's stunner shades on all day. How do you even wear these things? They look so weird. She said they look great on me. But they actually started off fabulous. I found my glasses. So I found my stunner shades, so I ain't gotta buy like no $10 ones. So that's pretty cool. This day started out fabulous for me. You know what I'm saying, bros? Now we're on the hunt for Starbucks because, you know, guys, Ray just, I'm exposing her for not taking her stuff seriously. You know what I'm saying? Like,
taking my stuff seriously.
She didn't want to upload a video last night. Now we have to find Starbucks for upload a video now. I'm just kidding, boys. Boys, I'm just kidding. We have like 0.3 upload. Is the worst. It took me an entire night to get that video uploaded to you guys, the vlog, and now we're trying to find a place for Ray to upload her vlog. So tonight I'm probably gonna let Ray upload her vlog, and then I'm gonna find a place to upload my vlog tomorrow or something. I don't know, but we are almost there. Do you see the building with the blue triangles on top? That's where we gotta be. The Starbucks is connected to that building pretty much. We gotta get to the Holiday Inn. It's a journey, boys, because it's 100 and something degrees out here. I'm melting. Hey, Ray's uploading speed. Yeah, big up to Starbucks. How you feel about that? You look so depressed.
At least I have somewhere to upload it.
Yeah. Always look at the positives. So my dad and Jay arrived.
Oh man, one says it's revive. One says, what? Go check that stupid thing?
As you can tell, my dad and Jay arrived.
Christ,
look, see?
You know how to drive, bro. You see the guy? What are you talking about? He had a green light, you had a green light. No, but he didn't put his signal on. He had to put his signal.
No, you were both turning.
How many
yes, he does. What about to come straight to me? Just watch the damn light, man.
Look how many beeps I have to put.
Shut up, kids. I'm driving. Shut up, kids. I'm a grown-ass man. Who the hell are you calling a kid?
Shit. Look how many beeps I gotta put in the vlog, yo. There's no cursing in my vlog.
Are we there yet?
Alright guys, so my dad and Jay arrived, as you can right see. We in the Ray, my sisters, we in the back seat because we all going to the boardwalk. And yeah, it's hot. It's blistering hot. There's like the government who puts out.
Gotta go back.
You know what? We'll just talk when we get there. Ray keeps acting like I'm gonna do something bad just because I pull out the vlog camera.
I know you guys have a bump.
Lucky. Lucky.
Ew, now I look like a sweaty beast. Ew, now my back's itchy.
Lucky. Alright, homie, so we stopped for a second because my dad bought my sister a funnel cake. She's the only one really eating, her and my dad. I don't eat this stuff, I'll show you. This is like, everyone talks about this here in Ocean City. They say it's bomb diggity. Ray's eaten it before. You want to taste it? Hit it from one time. Hit it from one time. Hit it from 2 times.
I don't like that kind of funnel cake.
You don't like that kind of funnel cake?
I like strawberries and whipped cream on my funnel cake.
Yeah, in Ocean City they just do funnel cake and they put like, what is that, sugar on top?
Sugar.
Powdered sugar. Here, Nikki.
Thanks,
So,
brother.
we stopped for a second because it is brutally hot out today, man. And we're just chilling. They're eating that funnel cake and I'm just sitting here enjoying the sun with this tree over my head. Hiding from the sun like a boss. Where you guys going? I'm coming with. This is what it looks like during the day, boys. Damn. What happened? You got bit?
I got bit by freaking flies.
I got bit as well. I felt it. Come on, let's roll. Oh, the name of this store, Mr. T's. What the hell? And it's actually pretty smart because they sell tees. Mr. T's. Yo, well played, store. Well played. I give you a thumbs up. Damn, boys, they got football stuff. Oh, they actually have proper footballs here. I wasn't here, Jay.
Did you see this?
Look, they have football stuff. Liverpool, yeah, Real Madrid, Liverpool. Damn, never have that Benfica one down. Oh, done.
There you go, dude. Get that.
That's coming with. We are at this beautiful place again, eating and beside the water, and looks absolutely amazing as you can see. And I decided to take a look at the menu, even though I just want a soda or something. And they have Krabby balls, and they cost $15. So if any ladies are out there looking for Krabby balls, you can pick them up for $15. Pretty cheap, I would say that's a hell of a deal. You can't even get them cheaper, dude. Can't even get them on Amazon Prime for that cheap.
You probably find it for free.
Tap house wings. What else did you say, Ray? What else did you say was on the menu? Sharky biscuit?
A shark biscuit?
A shark biscuit.
There's no shark in it. It's just saying.
A shark
Yeah, it looks
biscuit.
like what Portuguese people would do.
Oh yeah, an egg on top of a burger. Well, that actually looks like your heart will explode in your chest as you eat that.
I don't appreciate it.
What are you gonna get, Ray? You gonna get some Krabby Balls?
I think you want some crabby balls.
I'm actually gonna get me Krabby Balls and I'm gonna put them all in my mouth at once.
Are you gonna have a whole bunch of crabby balls in your mouth?
Ew, that actually sounds super weird. You guys are probably thinking something perverted. I'm just talking about Krabby Balls. For all my English people watching, it's the first time I've been somewhere that's offered fish and chips. I've never ever seen that on the menu. So shout out to the Queen, to Harry Kane, to Steven Gerrard, Lampard. What?
You've never seen fish and chips anywhere?
No.
I've seen it so much.
I've seen Wayne Rooney many places. Gerrard, I've never seen fish and chips. Okay?
They never look real. They're almost on every
They're on every single
Listen,
menu.
before I saw fish and chips, I saw Krabby Balls. I'm not kidding. All right, homies, this is what I want to do. Why is you trying to focus on Ray? Ray is not the center of attention right now, boys. This guy on the jet ski out there, look at that, looking like Miami Vice. All right, so we're back at the hotel. Yeah, we're back at the hotel because we finished hanging out, getting some drinks. Right now, I'm just chilling, looking at the beautiful beach of Roni. Look at that, man. Absolutely pretty, man. Obviously, if you raise up here, it's prettier, but I'm all the way in these low rider seats, and these seats are actually comfortable as hell. I want some for my house. So damn comfortable. I do feel like I'm gonna break them, but. So yeah, we're here chilling, and I think we're about to go out to the beach, kick the football a little bit. Ray wants to tan. Jay, you gonna go to the beach or not? So maybe for Jay. So yeah! So Ray and I are going to the beach. Jay wanted to get a little bit of sleep. He didn't get much sleep because he had to drive here with my dad, so they didn't sleep much. And my sister wanted to take a nap as well. So it's just me and Ray, and I'm about to be in the sand for the first time since we've been here.
Sandals?
Take off our sandals?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Where are we gonna put them though?
We'll just hold them.
Hold them? Oh, about to feel the sand. Oh, unlucky. About to feel the sand. Bang. Ah, and then it's gonna get hot. Nah, it feels good. Oh, it feels so good. Nah, I didn't bring the beach ball because, yo, Ray, tonight I wanna walk that way up the boardwalk because I wanna see what's at the very, very top.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. So we're just gonna chill out, probably like get some sun, catch some sun. It's kind of like the end of the sun because it's kind of going up.
It's like perfect to go like lay out.
Yeah, it feels good. It's not perfect to get in the water, but it's perfect to, I feel like earlier was perfect to get in the water when it was like 100 something. Right now it's perfect kind of just lay out and just chill and relax. So we on the beach. I got my GoPro because I might go swimming in the pool or maybe even get in the ocean. I'm not really sure yet. So if I do something, we're getting in the water, I might use the GoPro. What the hell?
What?
What the hell?
What?
What the hell? What the hell? Relaxing, enjoying, soaking up the sun. Your boy's tired already from walking in the
Chilling
sand.
out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all, shooting some b-ball outside of the school with
Hey.
a couple of guys. Who up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood.
Yup.
I got one little fight and my mom got scared.
She said,
"You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."
This is very true. Shout out to Will Smith. Boys, we're laying out, man. Finally, that's better sun. Don't judge, I've got a shirt on, so I'm looking like a banana right now. But we're just relaxing, Ray, myself, chilling, show them the view. View on deck, view on deck.
I don't know if that's a good view, but if it's not, I'm sorry.
Look how far the water's coming up. Jay didn't come out with us. He decided he wanted to stay in. My sister, they were tired, like I told you guys. So we're just chilling, relaxing on the beach for a little bit. And then
I'm trying to bleach out my hair naturally. I want it to be like a lighter color.
She wants to dye her hair, I keep telling
No,
you.
I'm not gonna dye. I don't want to dye my hair. I just want it to be like a little bit lighter.
And then tonight we're gonna go somewhere, maybe a bar, maybe secret, so we can dance a little bit.
You know, wait, why? We're gonna go dancing?
We might, we'll see, we'll figure it
Time
out.
out. Wait, I didn't bring anything nice like that.
Me neither. Look out, look out, look out, look out. Bird attack, bird attack.
He looks angry.
Oh my God, look at, show him, show him, show him, show him. Oh God, oh God. You get out of here, bird. You get out of here, bird. I will shoot you.
He looks so angry.
Gun.
Okay, so time out. I want to tell you guys. We were
Real
upstairs.
quick, thank you guys for letting this happen. The reason we're doing this is because of you guys. Now go on.
You guys are the best. Love you guys. Anyways, oh God, the water is coming for us. That's actually, I feel like that's gonna hit us.
Should we move? We have a little bit of time. Go on.
Do you think so?
What were you saying? Tell them.
Okay. So anyways, I don't know if that's gonna actually not hit. I feel like that's gonna hit us. We should get a boogie board and boogie board. If I buy a boogie board, will you vlog me? Like, will you like record for me? Boogie boarding?
God, it might come to us. Get ready to run.
Oh my gosh.
Make sure you grab the cameras. Where's your camera?
My camera's right there.
I'm gonna throw it in the bag.
Just throw it in the bag. Okay.
Phone in the bag.
So anyways, we were upstairs, right? And Aunt goes to Jay, goes, what do you want to do tonight? Joe was like, I don't know. He's like, yeah. I was like, we want to do some grown-up stuff tonight. What's grown-up stuff?
Grown-up
like
stuff
a little
is when you
kid.
go to the bar and you dance and there's alcohol beverages, but I don't drink no more, boys. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't do nothing. I'll have a beer every now and again, but I don't do anything. Sometimes I hit a hookah, that is coming. Really? Now we're good. Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh God, that's coming for us. Wait. Oh my God. Wait, that was so close.
We got kicked off the beach because the water was just like, yo. So we decided instead of moving and laying back down, we're just gonna walk around on the sand and enjoy the weather. So that's what we're doing.
Why are we in the
I don't know. Because this part is easy to walk on than that part.
No, I don't.
All right, let's go over here then.
Yeah.
Look how deep it is. It's so deep though. Oh, we should walk up and that way we can see.
Oh yeah, you want to go up anyway?
Yeah, let's see what's up. Come on then.
First part is the deepest.
What the hell?
Because you said it's so deep, so I was thinking.
Oh, I get it. This is what I've always wanted to own. Look, on that side's the water, and then right here is legitimate houses. Absolutely crazy, or maybe apartments or something like that, but imagine owning something like that. It'd be so sick. Alright, y'all, so I was walking the boardwalk with everybody, and I ran into a sub. How long you been watching?
Since 2013.
Hey, what's your name?
Fernando.
My man right here. Thank you so much for watching. It's so family. I appreciate you guys. Take care, man. Thank you. Thank you. That's absolutely awesome. So he's been watching for a long, long time. And yeah, so big ups for watching, man. I appreciate you. High five. Hey guys, alright, so I just met another viewer. What's your name?
Justin.
Yeah, you watch the vlogs?
Yeah.
You're awesome. I just met him out here in Ocean City. Thank you so much for watching.
From Montreal, Canada.
Oh my goodness, from Canada.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. That is all. Dude, they came from Canada. They literally here on vacation because that's it. He wanted to go to vacation there to meet you. So big shout out to the father and the mom for bringing them all the way to Ocean City in the States from Canada. Oh my gosh, you guys are amazing. I love your faces, man. You guys are. Is that weird?
That's really weird.
Did I cut that part out?
No.
It's like a low rider bike. Yo, he looks so gangster. It looks like a chopper bicycle. You know what I'm saying? Yes, it is. Damn. Check this out, vlog. I'm standing up here so I can film it for y'all. It's like a movie on the boardwalk. They were just doing fireworks. Where's the fireworks, guys? Where's the fireworks? No fireworks? Your homie, so my man Justin came back up to us and he told me very, 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 very wisely. He said, Skills, you go after too many old players in your career mode. I want you, and then he goes, I want you to go for young players. I said, give me one young player to sign. And he said, Yuri. So when I get home in the UV career mode, we sign in Yuri. We have to. It's a must. I may have just missed it, but I literally just freaking body slammed Ray on the bed. It was the best thing in the world. Also, my brother walked in the room and said, I gotta use the bathroom. And I was like, that's normal. He says to use the bathroom, but it wasn't normal because he went to go get headphones and a phone. And you understand that when someone says to use the bathroom and they get headphones and a phone, no one else can use that bathroom for the rest of the night, because that is... You got headphones and a phone to go to the bathroom, son.
It's about to go down.
I'm saying,
I was looking for the charge. My phone's
I
only
need,
on 10%.
boys.
I'm gonna be there for a minute.
Boys, I need to take a shower, right? But now I'm thinking to myself, like, you know what? I'm
You
about
better
to
go take a shower before I go to the bathroom.
You're screaming, the neighbors are sleeping, pa.
No, they're not.
Yo,
It's 11.
I'm thinking about just grabbing my putting head and shoulders in my hair, putting soap, and then running to the ocean. One dunk and come out. And your boy's gonna be fresh clean.
You know.
Then I'm like, beautiful cover boy. I know I get sentimental with y'all sometimes, but when somebody flies from Canada and like convinces their parents to come see you in a hotel spot, it just, that's nuts, man. It means the world to me. So I love you guys. You guys are awesome. And I met loads of you tonight, not just the ones from Canada, but loads and loads and loads of viewers. You guys are truly awesome. Y'all showed Ray love, y'all showed Jay love. Y'all showed all of us love, so I love you very long time. Very long time, I love you, okay? Okay, good, very good, very good. Yo, I gotta deal with Ray and my sister watching this show, Botch, now. I gotta sit in here and watch this, man. They like, oh my god, you like Botch? Oh, I love Botch too. Oh, we should watch Botch together. No, you should go watch Botch in a different hotel room, because me and Jay got things to do, grown people things.
If you don't shut your mouth, I'm gonna make you go on Botch. Do you understand?
Yo, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, man. If you did, please smash a big old thumbs up, man. You guys have been supporting this channel like crazy, man. So please hit a big old thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And with that being said, I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna start the adventures tomorrow. I'm hoping we go jet skiing tomorrow. I got the GoPro so I can get that footage for you guys. So that should be absolutely lovely. With that being said, I'm out of here, boys. I'm gonna deal with this show botched, all right? Good night, good morning, and peace.